Are you looking for the best hand grip exercises? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best hand grip exercises on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Product Overview. Here's a clear product overview you can use for your grip strength trainer. Grip Strength Trainer. Adjustable hand grip strengthener with counter. Take your grip training to the next level with this ergonomic hand grip strengthener, designed for athletes, musicians, and anyone recovering from hand, wrist, or forearm injuries. Key features: adjustable resistance, 11 to 220 pounds / 5 to 100 kilograms. Easily customize the resistance level to match your training needs, from beginner to advanced. Built-in automatic counter. Tracks every rep, helping you stay motivated and measure progress effortlessly. Ergonomic non-slip design. Comfortable handle grip fits all hand sizes, ensuring a secure hold during workouts. Forearm and hand strengthening. Ideal for improving grip strength, finger endurance, wrist stability, and forearm power. Versatile use. Perfect for athletes, climbers, tennis players, golfers, weightlifters, musicians, guitarists, pianists, drummers, and injury/rehabilitation therapy. Durable construction. Made with heavy-duty materials to withstand frequent use without losing tension or comfort. Number 2. FitBeast Grip Strengthener Kit. Here's a polished product overview plus listing style breakdown for the FitBeast Grip Strengthener Kit, 5-pack. FitBeast Grip Strengthener Kit. 5-pack adjustable resistance. Level up your grip, wrist, and forearm training with the FitBeast 5 in 1-hand strengthener kit. Designed for athletes, musicians, and rehabilitation, this all-in-one set provides adjustable resistance tools to improve strength, endurance, and recovery. What's included? 5-pack kit. Adjustable hand grip strengthener. Resistance can be customized to match your training level. Finger exerciser. Targets individual fingers for dexterity and strength. Finger stretch resistance band. Improves flexibility and balance in hand muscles. Grip ring. Enhances grip endurance and forearm activation. Stress relief ball. Strengthens grip while reducing tension and improving circulation. Number 3. Grip Strength Trainer 7-pack kit. Got it. Here's a clean Amazon-style product listing breakdown for your Grip Strength Trainer 7-pack kit. Grip Strength Trainer 7-pack. Adjustable hand grip strengthener, finger exerciser, resistance bands, grip ring and stress ball. Product overview. The ultimate 7-in-1 hand and forearm strength training kit designed for athletes, musicians, office workers, and those recovering from injuries. With adjustable resistance and multiple tools, you can improve grip strength, finger flexibility, wrist stability, and overall forearm power, all in one complete set. What's included? 7-pack kit. Adjustable hand grip strengthener. Customize resistance to match your level. Finger stretcher resistance bands. Train extensor muscles for balance and flexibility. Finger exerciser. Isolates and strengthens each finger individually. Grip strength ring. Builds grip endurance and forearm strength. Stress relief ball. Relieves tension while enhancing hand strength. Finger band extensor trainer. Improves finger flexibility and balance. Carrying bag. Portable and easy to keep all tools together. Number 4. GD Iron Grip Strength Trainer. Here's a polished Amazon-style listing format for your GD Iron Grip Strength Trainer. GD Iron Grip Strength Trainer. Adjustable hand gripper strengthener and wrist exerciser. Product overview. Train smarter with the GD Iron Grip adjustable hand gripper, built for silent, durable, and effective grip training. Designed for athletes, climbers, musicians, and rehabilitation, this heavy-duty strengthener helps you build stronger hands, fingers, wrists, and forearms with smooth resistance adjustment. Key features. Adjustable resistance. Easily customize tension to match beginner or advanced training levels. Silent operation. Smooth, quiet mechanism perfect for home, office, or travel workouts. Durable build. Made from premium materials for long-lasting use without spring failure. Ergonomic design. Comfortable, non-slip grip suitable for all hand sizes. Versatile training. Strengthens grip, fingers, wrists, and forearms for sports, climbing, music, or recovery. Number 5. GD Grip Strength Trainer. Perfect. Here's a ready-to-use Amazon-style listing format for the GD Grip Strength Trainer, premium adjustable version. SEO-optimized title: GD Grip Strength Trainer, premium adjustable hand gripper and wrist exerciser, forearm and finger strengthener for athletes, climbers, musicians, and rehabilitation. 5 key bullet points. Premium adjustable resistance. Easily customized tension to match beginner or advanced grip training, making it perfect for progressive strength building. Forearm, wrist, and finger training. Strengthens your entire hand, wrist, and forearm for better performance in climbing, lifting, sports, and everyday grip endurance. Durable and ergonomic design. Built with high-quality, long-lasting materials and a non-slip, comfortable grip to ensure stable training sessions. Silent operation for anywhere use. Smooth and quiet resistance system lets you train at home, office, or gym without distractions. Ideal for athletes and rehabilitation. Perfect for athletes, musicians, and those recovering from hand, wrist, or forearm injuries. Improves strength, dexterity, and mobility.